New Jersey Senator Cory Booker and 12 other Democrats just defected from party lines to put a stop to Bernie Sanders' effort to lower prescription drug costs. The Vermont senator recently proposed an amendment to the 21st Century Cures Act to lower drug costs and allow cheaper drugs to be imported from other countries. However, that failed due to Republican opposition. It was proposed again. This time they attached a similar amendment to the 2017 budget resolution to allow cheaper prescriptions to be imported from Canada. Now, despite being backed by 12 Republicans, it failed. Why? Because 13 Democrats voted against it. Take a look at the Democrats who voted against that measure. Here's all 13 and when they're up for re-election. You may not recognize all those names, but you may recognize one of them, Cory Booker, the senator out of New Jersey. He's up for re-election in 2020. As Sanders points out on Twitter, the same exact drugs in Canada are drastically cheaper. EpiPens, which are in most schools and used to treat allergic reactions to things like peanuts and bees, are $290 in Canada. Here in the U.S., they are more than double, $620. And the antidepressant Abilify, that drug is $436 in Canada. It's over $2,600 here. The list goes on. A 2015 Kaiser poll found that 72% of Americans are in favor of allowing for importation of pharmaceutical drugs. So why would Booker and his colleagues vote against it? After receiving a lot of harsh criticism, Booker tweeted that he and other Democrats do want to import, but they first need basic FDA standards. Well, he forgot to mention Canada's drug approval process is similar to the United States. They require various animal testing and clinical trials before a drug can enter circulation. Not to mention, many of the drugs in Canada are manufactured right here in the United States. And on top of all of that, the word safe already appears in Sanders' amendment. Another thing Booker failed to mention, he has received more pharmaceutical manufacturing cash in the last 6 years than any other Democratic senator. Between 2010 and 2016, Booker accepted $267,000. MapLight data shows other Democrats who oppose the amendment also received six-figure donations from Big Pharma. They include Bob Casey, Patty Murray, and Michael Bennett. Fun fact, Canada's life expectancy is 2 years longer than Americans.